further for the same chapter, circles for 10th standard. So we have a theorem here. So this is a theorem. So just as the Pythagoras theorem in triangles chapter, this is one very important theorem, a compulsory question for your 10th standard board exam. We need to prove that the length of the tangents. So we have two tangents here. So let me consider this is P here, and let me call this point of contact as Q here. So we have only one point of contact R here. So we have a center for the circle. Follow it? Then the length of the tangent. So let me write in the given part. So P is an external point, right? So P is an external point. So PQ and PR are equal to tangents of the circle. So tangents of this circle. So we know that Q and R are the point of contact. So what we need to prove here, the length of the tangent drawn from the length of the tangent. So PQ and PR. So I can write the length of the tangent, better, the length of the tangent of the circle are equal. So are equal. So we need to prove that. Let me write to prove that PQ, length of the tangent, is equal to PR. Followed it? So let me make a construction here. Construction. Join OQ, OR, and so where O is the center of the circle, right? So let me write here. So in the given part, so O is equal to center of the circle. So let me write, this is O here. Join OQ, OR and OP. So construction always in the dotted line. Always in the dotted line. So let me write, I shall join this here also. Let me join this part. So just now we have proved a theorem here. So can we write OQ is radius, right? So let me write. So in the proof part, OQ is perpendicular to PQ, and can I write OR is also perpendicular to PR. So what is the reason for this? The radius of circle perpendicular to the point of contact of the tangent. So where OQ and OR are the radius of the circle, right? OQ and OR is equal to, so radius of the same circle. Or I can write OQ is equal to OR. So join OP, right? So let me join this part. If I can join this, so let me mark perpendicular here, and here also this is perpendicular to the tangent. Observe, see in triangle. So continue with the proof part. In a right angled triangle, so which is it? In right angled triangle, OQP and OQR, right? OQR and ORP. So this shall be ORP here. We can find that angle OQP is equal to ORP which is equal to 90 degrees, right? Then we have OP which is equal to OP. So this is your common side or also called what? Hypotenuse to the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse. So from these two triangles we can observe that this angle is 90 degrees, right? A radius being perpendicular to the point of contact of the tangent. Similarly here OR is perpendicular to RP, right? Then we have OP as the common side for both these right angle triangle, and here we need to mark here the length of OQ is the same as the length of OR, right? So let me write that OR is equal to OQ. So what is the reason for that? A radius of the same circle. Radius. So from these 3 points we can write, therefore a right angled triangle, which is it? OQP is congruent to, followed it, triangle, right angle triangle OQP congruent to right angled triangle, which one? It is ORP. So this is again from RHS congruency. RHS congruency. So now if I can write congruency, if I can write the corresponding sides equal, right? OQ is equal to OR. So from by CPCTC. So we already know that the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are congruent. So the corresponding sides OQ and OR, QP and RP, right? QP which is equal to RP. So I think this is what we require, right? QP. So here QP is equal to RP. So we have proved that tangents drawn from an external point are equal here. Then OP equals OP. So that is the same common side. So here from this I can write, hence proved the tangents drawn from external point to the what? To the circumference of the circle. To the circumference of circle are equal. So I can write, hence we have proved this theorem. So this is a very simple proof. Again we need to recall it. OQ is equal to OR. That is our radius of the same circle. We have OP as a common side for both the right angle triangles, and OQ is perpendicular to QP and OR is perpendicular to RP. So what is the reason for that? Only reason is the radius is perpendicular to the point of contact of the tangent. So if we can remember only these 3 points, and this is a very definite question in your board exam. So once we have proved in this theorem that the tangents drawn from the external point are equal, so what do we infer here? So what is the meaning of inference? So once we have proved, so what does that follow here? After the proving that the tangents drawn from external points are equal, we can understand that OP, or I can write, yes, OP is the angular bisector. OP is the angular bisector. Angular bisector for, which is angle QOR, for angle QOR. So this angle, if this is X here, this angle shall also be X here. Follow it? And once this we have this OQ is equal to OR, and we have PQ is equal to PR, and we have OP as the common side, and this angle is the angular bisector for QOR, and therefore we can also say that this angle, if this is angle Y, this angle also shall be equal to Y. Followed it? So these are very important conclusions. Important conclusion only when we can prove that the length of the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal.